I am studying first class. My school name is Vidya Jyoti English Medium School. Today is I tell you project work. My class teacher name is Bhavani ma'am. My mother name is Bindu. My father name is Sam. I am 6 years old. Today is I tell you project work. అరక అల అమల అలంకడ ఆట ఆన ఆమడ ఆలయం ఇలా ఇంకా ఇచ్చట ఇవతల ఏగ ఏద ఏదడ ఉమా ఉష ఉలవ ముంగడ ఉయల ఊచ ఊగ ఊడ ఎండ ఎడ ఎడమ